Hello students. So, the topic for today's discussion is linear equations in one variable. So, let us first understand the title properly, then only we will understand the subject. Isn't that so? Okay. So, what do you basically mean by linear equations? The linear equations are those equations in which the power of the variable is 1. What do you mean by this? I mean, this example which is written over here is a perfect example of a linear equation, because here it is written 2x minus 3 is equal to 7. That means the power of x is 1. Okay. So, if this is a linear equation, then can you give an example of a non-linear equation? Yeah, why not? Okay. So, the non-linear equation is something like that. If I would have written 2x square minus 3x plus 7 equal to 0. So, here the highest power of x is 2. So, this is an example of a nonlinear equation. This is also known as a quadratic equation, or I would have also given an example something like this: 2x cube minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 equal to 0. So, here the highest power is 3. So, this is again a nonlinear equation. This is commonly known as cubic equation. Okay, fine. Let's move ahead. The second word is one variable. What do you mean by this? One variable? That means the equation is having only one unknown variable. Like in this example, 2x minus 3, the unknown variable is x. If I would have written something like this, 2xy minus 3 equal to 7, then how many variables are here? Here it is having two variables, x and y. Okay. Or I would have written something like this: 2x minus 3z equal to 7y. Can you tell me how many variables are here? Yes, it is having 3 variables. Okay. So, again I am repeating the topic. The topic is linear equations in one variable. Now, what do you basically mean by equations? Equations are something which are having the sign of equality. Okay, and the left hand side, whatever we have written on the left hand side of this equation is called as LHS, left hand side, and whatever we have written on the right hand side is called as RHS or right hand side. Okay, so now just getting the tinge of the basic terminologies of all these things, let's move ahead with the questions directly. Now, the first question is 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. Now, whenever we are going to solve any linear equation, our basic funda which we are going to use is that if a term is moved from left hand side to the right hand side, if it is plus sign having on the left hand side, and if you transfer this term to the right hand side, then it will be negated. Okay, and if we are having a negative sign, then it will become positive. So, whenever a term is changing, is coming from equal to sign from this side to this side or from this side to this side, it is going to undergo a sign reversal. Okay, fine. So, let's deal with this question. The question is 2x minus 3 is equal to x plus 2. So, can you ask one question to yourself, then what is the need for shifting the variables or shifting the numbers from this side to this side? Okay. So, the trick for solving a linear equation is we need to assemble the like terms. If we are having, like we are having 2x, this is a term with a variable x, this is another term with the variable x. So, we need to put these two terms on the same side and these two numbers on the other side. Okay. So, now let's do the shifting process. If I am shifting this term x from left hand side to right hand side, on the left hand side you can see it is having a plus 1. Okay, it is plus. So, when it comes to the left hand side, it is 2x minus x. Okay, do you get this? Fine. And on the right hand side, you can see is a number 2. And when this minus 3, if this will come on the left hand side, it will become plus 3. So, what it has become? It has become 2x minus x. We have got the like terms on the left hand side. That means both the terms with the variables on the left hand side, and on the right hand side what we are getting? We are getting numbers on the right hand side. Fine. Now we can easily solve the equation. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and here it is 2x minus x. So it will be x. So perfect. We have got the solution for the first question. Yippee! Now we can move ahead to the second question. Okay. The second question is quite similar to the previous one. Here also it is written 3x is equal to 2x plus 18. So what we need to do? We need to shift the like terms on the same side and the numbers, the terms with the variables on one side and the terms with the number on the other side. So we need to shift this 2x on the left hand side. So 3x, will it be minus or plus? Minus or plus? Yes, it will be minus 2x. Why? Because it will undergo a sign reversal whenever you will shift from a term from this side to another side. Okay, so 3x minus 2x is equal to 18. But we know that 3x minus 2x, it is equal to x and this is equal to 18. So yippee, we have solved the first question of the exercise. Okay, the second question of the exercise. 5t minus 3 is equal to 3t minus 5. Oh, what is this happening? Why have the variable changed? Okay, it's okay. You can have the variable named either as x or as y or as z or as t. It doesn't matter. It is just having a one variable. That's what matters. Just do not get confused with the name of the variable. Okay. So now let's again do the same process as we have done before. It is 5t minus 3. So this 3 will be moved this side and this 3t, this term will come on this side. So what it has become? It has become 5t minus 3t. Why is it minus? Because it is plus sign having over this side. It is equal to minus 5 plus 3. Why it is plus 3? Because here it is minus 3. Okay. So what it has become? 5t minus 3t is 2t. 2t is equal to minus 2. And therefore, now one more thing I need to tell you. Equal to, whenever you are having an equal to sign, if a plus sign is over here and if we shift to the right hand side, it will become a minus sign. And similarly, if it is a minus sign over here, if we shift it to the right hand side, it will become a plus sign. Similarly, if a term is being multiplied on this side of the equation, then if we shift it to the other side, it will be divided. And if a term is being divided on this side, then if we shift to the other side, it will get multiplied. So what is happening over here? 2t. That means 2 is multiplied with t. So we need to just keep the variable on this side and this 2 will go down because here it is being multiplied, and when it will come to the right hand side, it will come to the denominator. So minus 2 divided by 2, it will be minus 1. Perfect. Second question is being solved. Third question. So the question is 5x plus 9 is equal to 5 plus 3x. Okay. Again, it is a laddu question. It's very easy. So we will bring this 3x to this side and we will bring this 9 on this side. So what it will be? It will be like 5x minus 3x is equal to 5 minus 9. Okay. So now what is 5x minus 3x? It is 2x. It is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is minus 4 on this side. So again, please remember the trick. If a term is being multiplied on this side, it will be divided when it comes to the other side. Okay. So please remember this. So 2 is being multiplied over here. So when 2 will come on this side, it will be 4 divided by 2. It will become minus 2. Okay. So the next question. Okay. So again the variable name has been changed to z. 4z plus 3 is equal to 6 plus 2z. So what we need to do, I hope now you might have understood the trick very well. Isn't that so? You will bring this 2z on this side and you will bring this number on this side. Okay, variables on same side, numbers on other side. Okay, so it will be 4z minus 2z is equal to 6 minus 3. So what is 4z minus 2? 4 minus 2 is 2. So it will be 2z is equal to 3. What is z is equal to? It is equal to 3 by 2. Yippee! Fourth numerical is being solved. Next one. So it is 2x minus 1 is equal to 14 minus x. Now it's just a cup of, easy game for you now. So when this minus x come on this side, it will become, tell me, when this minus x will come on this side, it will become plus x. Perfect. And 14 is already on this side, so we will not touch this term. And when this minus 1 will come on this side, it will become plus 1. Okay, perfect. So 14 plus 1 is 15 and 2x plus x is 3x. So what will be this x? X is equal to 15. 15, will it be 15 multiplied by 3? No, it will be 15 divided by 3. Why? Because the term which is being multiplied over here, it will go in division. Perfect. So 3, 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So the answer is 5. Okay. Oh my God, what a question. 8x plus 4 is equal to 3 into bracket x minus 1 plus 7. So whenever this type of question comes, you should follow the rule of BODMAS. And according to this rule of BODMAS, first you should always solve the bracket. Okay, and then you can do multiplication and addition and subtraction, all these things. Fine. So according to this, let's rewrite the term 8x plus 4 as it is, and on the right hand side we can write 3 into x. So please remember the rules for multiplication are something like this. We multiply this term to both the terms. Okay, the term which is outside the bracket has to be multiplied to both the terms. So 3 into x and 3 into minus 1. So it will become 3x minus 3, and this remaining term, it will be added as it was previously added. So now it has become quite an easy thing, isn't that so? Again the same trick we need to follow. We just put the 3x on this side, so it will become 8x minus 3x. It is equal to, so we will not touch these two numbers. They will remain as it is, minus 3 plus 7. So which term will come on this side? Which number will come on this side? 4 will come on this side. So minus 4. So what is this? 8x minus 3x, it is 5x, and this is I think it's coming out to be 0. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, it's coming out to be 0. That means the solution of this equation is 0. Such a difficult equation and such an easy solution, isn't that so? Okay. So the next one. Okay. So this question is x is equal to 4 by 5, x plus 10. So what we need to do now? We need to multiply this 4 with both x and both 10. But this 5, which is in division on this side, I already told you, if some term is division on one side, it will become multiplication on other side. That means this 5 will be multiplied to x. So it will become 5x. And when 4 is multiplied with x, it will become 4x plus 40. Fine. Okay. So now it has again become a simple equation. We know that we need to put the variables on one side and numbers on other side. So we just put this 4x on this side, and it will be 5x minus 4x, it is equal to 40. That means x is equal to 40. So this is the solution. Perfect. But now last two are just remaining. Okay. Fine. So this is the term. This is the equation. So whenever this type of questions comes, you just need to put your hand on the heart and you need to say, oh, all is well, we can solve it. Okay. So what do you need to do? Again, follow the same trick as we have done earlier. So we need to write 2x by 3. Okay. And we need to bring this variable term on this side, minus 7x by 15. And 3 will remain as it is on this side, and which term will come on the right hand side? It will be 1. Okay. So 3 minus 1. On the right hand side, it's quite easy to solve, isn't it? Right hand side, we can easily get 2. But on the left hand side, what do we need to do? We cannot subtract such terms. if we are not having the same denominator. So we need to have the same denominator. So we need to multiply by 5 on to both the numerator and denominator. Why have you multiplied 5? Because 5 3s are 15. And now both the denominators are 15. So now we can easily add or subtract the numerators if the denominators are same. So what is this numerator? 5 into 2x, it is 10x minus 7x. So it is coming out to be 3x by 15 is equal to 2. So what we need to follow? Again follow the same trick which I have told you. If it is division on the left hand side, then it will become multiplication on right hand side. If it's some term is being multiplied on left hand side, it will become division on the right hand side. So please remember that. So we just need to keep this variable x on this side and 2 into 15. Why into 15? Because this will go in the numerator and this will go in the denominator, divided by 3. So 3 5s are 15 and 5 2s are 10. So x will become equal to 10. Yippee! We have solved the 8th question. Just remaining 2 questions are there to solve the exercise. Okay. So now I think now this is quite easy for you to understand. What do we need to do? We need to bring the y on this side and we need to bring this 5 by 3 on this side. Okay. So it will be 2y. Will it be plus 5 or minus y? Plus y, because the sign reversal is there. And what about this? 26 by 3 minus 5 by 3. So what is 2y plus y? 2y plus 1y we can say. Okay. So 2y plus 1y is 3y. And what is on this side? Oh wow, both the denominators are same. Isn't that so? So we can easily subtract the numerators. So 26 minus 5. What is 26 minus 5? It is 21. So it is 21 by 3 and this is on 3y. So what we need to do? We need to just, since the 3 is being multiplied over here, it will be divided when it comes to the right hand side. So we need to just write over here y is equal to 21 by 3 into 3. Is 21 divisible by 3? Yes, why not? 3 1s are 3, 3 7s are 21. So y is equal to 7 by 3. Yippee! Just the last question is remaining and we are going to solve the last one also. Okay. So the last one is 3m is equal to 5m minus 8 by 5. Okay. So this time we can solve as we have done previously, or it's easy if you want both the terms as positive. We can bring 3m on this side and 8 by 5 on this side. So this 8 by 5 will also become positive 8 by 5 because sign reversal rule is there. And here 5m minus 3m, because again the sign reversal plus 3m was on this side. So what it has become? It has become 2m is equal to 8 by 5. So what is now m? M is the variable which need to be solved. So if 2 is being multiplied over here, 2 will go in division over here. Okay. So is the 8 divisible by 2? This is a second grade student also know. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So it has become 4 by 5. So yippee, we have solved the complete exercise in one go. And thank you so much for your patient listening. Kindly like and subscribe the channel. See all the more new videos. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Good night.